Hello, everyone, and welcome to Simple English for Beginners. My name is Mark.
And I'm Sarah. We are so happy you are joining us today.
Today, we have a very important topic. We're going to talk about the simple past tense, specifically how to ask and answer questions using the word did.
That's right. Asking questions about the past is something we do every day, so this is a very useful lesson. We will go slowly and use many examples.
Okay, let's begin. First, what is the simple past? We use the simple past tense to talk about actions that are finished. They happened in the past and they are over now.
Exactly. For example, yesterday I walked in the park. The action, walking, is finished. It happened yesterday.
Right. Or last week, she visited her family. The visit is over. It happened last week.
Now, let's focus on questions. To ask a yes or no question in the simple past, we use the special word did.
This is the most important part. The structure for the question is very simple. It is did plus the subject plus the base form of the verb.
Let's break that down. The subject is the person or thing doing the action, like you, he, she, or they.
Mm-hmm. And the base form of the verb is the simple form, like go, eat, play, not the past tense form like went, ate, or played.
This is a very important rule. When you use did to ask a question, the main verb stays in its base form.
Let's try an example. I want to ask Sarah about yesterday. I use the verb work. The question is, Sarah, did you work yesterday?
See? Mark said, did you work? He did not say worked. The word did already tells us the question is about the past.
Let's do another one. The verb is eat. I want to ask about he. The question is, did he eat breakfast?
That's it. Did he eat, not did he ate. Let's try one with they and the verb study.
Okay, the question is, did they study for the test?
Perfect. It's always the same structure. Did plus subject plus base verb.
Now, how do we answer these questions? There are two types of answers, short answers and long answers. Let's start with short answers.
Short answers are very simple. They just say yes or no.
For a yes answer, the structure is yes, comma, subject, did. For example, yes, I did, or yes, she did, or yes, they did.
For a no answer, the structure is no, comma, subject, didn't. Didn't is the short form of did not.
Right. For example, no, I didn't, or no, he didn't, or no, we didn't.
Let's practice this. I will ask Mark some questions and he will give short answers. Ready, Mark?
I'm ready.
Okay. Mark, did you wake up early today?
Yes, I did.
Did you drink coffee this morning?
No, I didn't.
Did you read the newspaper?
Yes, I did.
Great. See how easy that is? Now it's my turn to answer.
Okay, Sarah, did you watch a movie last night?
No, I didn't.
Did you listen to music?
Yes, I did.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I did.
Excellent. Listeners, you can practice this at home. Ask a friend or family member questions with did.
Now, let's talk about long answers. Short answers are good, but sometimes we want to give more information.
This is where it gets a little different. For a long answer, you start with the short answer, and then you add a sentence with more details. And in that new sentence, you must use the past tense of the verb.
Right. So the question uses the base verb, but the long answer uses the past tense verb.
Let's use my first question for Sarah. I asked, did you watch a movie last night?
My short answer was no, I didn't. For a long answer, I can add more information. For example, no, I didn't. I read a book.
Perfect. Notice Sarah said read. It's the past tense. Another example. I asked Sarah, did you listen to music?
My short answer was yes, I did. A long answer could be yes, I did. I listened to jazz music.
There it is. She used listened, the past tense form.
Let's practice long answers now. Mark, I will ask you some questions again.
Okay, I will give a long answer.
Did you go to the supermarket this week?
Yes, I did. I went to the supermarket on Monday.
Good. The past tense of go is went. Next question. Did you see your friends on the weekend?
No, I didn't. I stayed home and relaxed.
Very good. You used stayed. Okay, one more. Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I did. I cooked pasta with tomato sauce.
Sounds delicious. And your answer was perfect. You used cooked.
Let's do a final review of everything.
Good idea. Rule number 1. To ask a yes or no question about the past, start with did.
Rule number 2, after did and the subject, use the base form of the verb. For example, did you go?
Rule number 3. For short answers, say, yes, I did, or no, I didn't.
And rule number 4, for long answers, use the past tense verb in your information sentence. Yes, I did. I went to the park.
Let's try one final complete conversation. I will ask Mark about his weekend.
Okay.
Hi, Mark. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did. I had a great weekend.
Oh, nice. Did you do anything special?
Yes, I did. I went to the beach on Saturday.
That sounds fun. Did you swim in the ocean?
No, I didn't. The water was too cold. But I walked on the sand and read my book.
That's a perfect conversation. It shows how we use these questions and answers in real life.
And that brings us to the end of our lesson. We hope this was helpful for you.
Remember, practice is the key. Try to make your own did questions today. Ask about what someone did yesterday or last week.
That's great advice. Thank you all for listening to Simple English for Beginners.
That was a great start, but we have more to learn about the simple past tense.
That's right, Sarah. We've mastered yes-no questions. But what if we want to ask for more information?
That's a great question, Mark. To ask for more information, we use question words. These are words like what, where, when, who, why, and how.